About to stop. He's bullied his way round the unmarked, stand by, and he's pushing forwards. He's into the crops. Right, people, I suggest you don't follow him through this field because he's got better capability than you have, I think. So one of you vehicles back up towards us. Yeah, he's going away from you now, back through the field. Still in the field, but he's taking evasive action. I think he's trying to look back towards the 143. Stand by. Okay, so he's on the A143 proper now, heading back eastbound again. It's not high speed. I think he may have taken some damage. It's quite slow. Slowing.
Preemptive box.
Right, he's onto the grass. I think he's got steering problems. Crash. Can we have an ambulance, please, to the last location, Bungay Road, A143, head-on collision with a member of the public. So fire brigade instantly, and ambulance, please, and as many units to the scene.
Take that car now! Nick, sorry. Is there anyone else in that car? Police officer!
Is someone in it?
Someone in the back, yeah.
Hey, what's your name? Mate, listen, what's your name? What's your name?
Minor injury to his hand.
Do you know where you are?
No.
No, do you know what just happened?